Hey guys, so I'm back with another look, and it's this one. I wanted to put to use some of the glitters that I showed you guys in my last haul, and I did this look because I saw Makeup by Giselle. She did this look on Instagram, and I thought it was perfect for the spring, perfect for now. So this is my copy on that look, and it's using Paragon Sky glitter. Everything else will be in the description down below. It's using Juvias Palettes and all that. You're gonna see that throughout the video, but if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's get started. I already have my base down. I did my eyebrows, I did my contour, all of that, which I'm thinking was a mistake, but we're gonna continue. So I'm gonna just put some of my Coty Airspun under my eyes just for fallout. So again, I should have not have done this, but that's okay. You learn. That should be fine. So this is the picture that I was telling you guys that inspired me to do this look, and this is by let's see, where is it? Makeup by Giselle, and it looks like that. And I follow her on Instagram. I love her looks. They're so dramatic, so everything. So let's see. Let's put this here so I can see it. Now, I see she's got like an orange on the lid. I'm gonna use the Magic by Juvias palette, and I'm gonna take this color here called Nana, and I'm gonna be using a few of Juvias palettes because they have the colors that I'm looking for. I'm just gonna take this. I think this is I don't remember. It's just a regular fluffy brush. I'm gonna take that Nana color, and actually I think I want to put some tape because I want it to be like really sharp. So I'm gonna take that color Nana. We're gonna start here, and I'm not going to be too careful because with the tape you don't really have to be. So but I might need new tape. Alright. I'm going to have that as my transition color. And I love Juvias palettes because they're so pigmented. Like, I never feel like I'm needing to go in twice or switch out brushes or anything. Alright, and then I think I want to do a little bit of brown, so I'm gonna take this brush. This is from Style Studio, and it's just a fluffy brush. I'm gonna take that with what's this called? Ada. It's this color here. It's like an orangey brown. It's not like a brown, but it's still like an orangey brown. I'm gonna tap that off, and I'm gonna keep that in the crease. Like that. So this is coming out a little bit more of like a brick color. I don't think that's really what I want. So that's how it's looking. But let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm gonna take the color Fulani, which is this one here, and that's more of a brown. Because I still want it to be smoky. I don't want it to just be like that orangey color. I want like a little darkness to it and stuff. And I'm gonna kind of round it out over here just because I want it to be a little more of a smoky eye. Alright, so I'm gonna take this flatter one here with Kessie, which is just like a skin tone color, and put that on my brow bone. Just to clean it up a bit. Like that. So now what I want to do is I'm going to put some of this Essence I Love Stage eyeshadow base on the lid. Actually, not on the lid. I'm just going to comb it with this flat. It's just like a flat brush. I'm going to comb it and then do the again, I'm gonna open it so that I can see where exactly it's folding, so that I know how much I wanna, you know, how high I'm gonna go with the lid color. I'm going to take, let's look at this picture again. Alright, so I'm gonna take this little flat shader brush. I'm going to take the color Zola, which is this one here. I'm gonna put this on the lid, and I'm gonna like that. So I'm gonna do the other eye. I have a haul of brushes that I'm gonna film in a minute, but one of the things I picked up was this Makeup Revolution. It's called the Aqua Seal Liquid Eye Primer and Sealant. Looks like that. I'm gonna take that with the Paragon Sky glitter. This is one of the glitters from the package that I showed you guys. So I'm gonna take this. So I'm just gonna put a few drops on the brush. I'm gonna take some of the glitter. I'm hope. That's so pretty. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Alright, so I already tight lined. I put some black in the waterline. What I think I want to do is I'm going to take some black and do the wing liner, and I'm going to do it pretty fat because as you can see, hers is pretty dramatic. So that's what we gonna do. Alright, let's see. And I'm gonna keep the tape on it just to give it that clean, sharp. Alright, let's see. Let me take a little bit of an actual this one here got a little messed up, but let me see something. That's how we gonna leave it. Now what I want to do is I'm gonna take some of the Fulani, which is the brown, with this flat brush and smoke the bottom out a little. Just so it matches the top. A little bit of this one. I think that should be it. I'm gonna do some lashes, which is gonna take me a while. So alright, so I just added on these are the Kiss Ritzy Natural Black. They're just like natural, but they look pretty full. So that's what I have on. And then I'm gonna take my little brush and just dust off a little bit of the beak. Like that. So I'm gonna take I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour in Caramel Toffee. This one here, just contour a little bit. I don't want to do too much, but just enough to fix that. And then I'm gonna take the same brush with a little bit of this, do like a reverse contour, like that, a little bit here, and then I'm gonna take my MAC spray. I want to get some going into my Anastasia. I'm gonna take some Dripping in Gold. Ooh. My brush. I'm gonna mix in a little Sunburst, the two, just a little bit. And then I'm going to, this should be good. I think I want a little bit of blush. I'm not gonna do too much blush, just a bit. This is the Mellow Wine from Wet n Wild. Just a little bit. And then for lips, I think I want to do something simple. So I'm gonna take my LA Girl Natural Cream. Outline, just the outline. I'm gonna take the Ulta lipstick in 261, just a natural nude. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of MAC Dazzle Glass in Sugar Rimmed. And that's the look. So again, I'm doing this look that I saw Makeup by Giselle do on Instagram, and that's the look there. Let's see if I can. And this is as good as it gets. So yeah, that's the look. I really like how it looked. I love these lashes. They feel really, really light. You can't really feel them, and I'm not one to wear lashes as much, but I really like how they feel. They're the Kid Ritzy Natural Black. That's them. Let me look up. They're not as dramatic as others, but I think it looks really nice with the look. Perfect for spring, perfect for now if you want just a pop of color, a little bit of glitter. This is how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new and you haven't subscribed. I would love for you to join the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video.